viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to add new blockchain in our MetaMask wallet. That's name is Wanchain. Yes, the blockchain is developed in 2018 and today we are going to add in our MetaMask wallet. So in this video I'm giving to complete information step by step, but first of all please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletinfo.com. So if you need to add any blockchain on your MetaMask wallet or network, so you just simply go to the click on MetaMask wallet and then you need to enter your password and then open your MetaMask wallet. So I have clicked on unlock. You can see here by default selected Binance Smart Chain, and if we need to add new network or blockchain in our MetaMask wallet, then you just simply go to the click on this portion and there is option is available, add network. Simple click on it. You need to put here the network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, and also block explorer. So first of all I'm going to open CoinMarketCap and we will check the information about Wanchain. The CoinMarketCap is open front of me. You can see here the Bitcoin price is $38,000 and Bitcoin is still range bound from $33,000 to $45,000. So we going to just simple on search bar type Wanchain. Yes, you can say Wanchain. Simple click on it. This time rank is 385 and this time price is 44 cents. So if we need to check the graph of all time of this chain, so just simple click on all, and now as you can see here, when this token is launched or this blockchain is launched, so price is $4 plus and all time high is almost $10, but today the price is 44 cents only. I'm not giving to any financial advice. The Wanchain allowed to cross-chain transaction and the independently of the multi-chains. You can also trade this token on these exchanges, means these exchanges Binance, Huobi, KuCoin. And if you need to check all-time high, all-time low, so you can just simple click on show more. Then you can see here all-time low is 7 cents and all-time high is $9 to $10 and 95% down from all-time high. I'm not giving you any financial advice. Okay, again, so there is the official website wanchain.org. The wanchain.org is open in front of me and you can see here open finance is currently broken. Blockchain technology is rapidly changed the world as we know it is, but publicly and private blockchain network are still operating in isolation. Open finance must be connected, and there you can see here public to public, public to private, private to private, multi-blockchain finance, and you can get more information. And you can see here cross-chain decentralized exchange, cross-chain mobile payments, connected enterprises, blockchain, decentralized finance applications. There you can see here cross-chain bridge reward. So you just simple go to this website and you can get them information. If you need to get information about DApp, you just simple click on DApp and then you will see many DApp on this website. You can see here WanSwap, WanLand, many application is available here. You can use it. It's depend on you. Okay, so now we are going to add this blockchain in our MetaMask wallet. Now I have all information about this network. Just simple copy and paste here, and new RPC URL just copy and now paste here. The chain ID is 888. Paste here. Currency symbol is that. Currency symbol is WAN. The block explorer is this link. Okay, just simple copy and paste here. I have successfully put network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, and also block explorer. So just simple click on save button. When you click on save button, you can see here we have successfully add new blockchain, Wanchain, in our MetaMask wallet. So you can easily use this chain at your system. After install or add this blockchain, you must find your private key of your wallet before using any transaction on this wallet. So just simple click on this wallet, and then you can see here there is shown 3 dot. Click on account details, and you can see here there is wallet ID of this wallet. If you need to deposit, so before going to must check, you are going to use network of Wanchain, and you can also export this private key. Like me, I have entered my password here and click on confirm. Now you can see here the private key is shown front of me. So it's mean you can easily import, recover, restore your wallet with this private key. So this is so simple and easy. You can easily import and you can use. So if you need to import this wallet with your private key, just simple go to the click on this profile area, click on import button, and then you just paste here your private key and then import. So your wallet will be import with balance. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add new blockchain, Wanchain in your MetaMask wallet. So you can easily, if you watch my complete video. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. And if you click on altcoin, you can see here we have already reviewed many wallets like Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namecoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Guada Wallet. Just simple go to the Google, type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you where you can get the all information about cryptocurrency wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.